Guys, welcome back to my channel Life and Lessons. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video I will basically talk about whether you should choose a 3-year graduation degree or a 4 years honors degree. So let's start today's video. So basically in one of my previous videos I have talked about the key differences between a 3-year degree and a 4-year degree as per the NEP guidelines. So NEP की जो 4-year graduation start हुई है उसके बारे में मैंने एक डिटेल्ड वीडियो बनाई थी एंड यू कैन गो एंड check that. But in today's video I'll basically talk about whether you should choose a 4-year degree or you should exit after 3 year. So I have noted down everything, and it is basically based on my research and whatever I have seen. So मुझे लगता है कि if you watch this video is going to help you a lot. सो देर इज़ अ कन्फ्यूजन अमंग स्टूडेंट्स कि कौन सी डिग्री अच्छी होगी, कौन सी डिग्री ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहेगी. एंड आई फील दैट देर आर सर्टन प्रोज एंड कॉन्स इन बोथ द डिग्रीज, एंड इट वैरीज फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट टू स्टूडेंट, depends on their goals, their ambitions and their preferences, what they want to do in life. And specific career के लिए specific there are pros and cons. So I have made a general list कि in general किसके लिए 4-year डिग्री अच्छी हो सकती है एंड किसके लिए 3-year डिग्री अच्छी हो सकती है. But then in another video I'll also talk about specifically English honors के students, like English honors के students को क्या choose करनी चाहिए, whether a 4-year degree is more valuable or a 3-year degree. So let's talk about that. So basically choose 4-year if you get research. अगर आपको रिसर्च डिग्री मिल रही है, लाइक इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग द रिसर्च पेपर, दैट इज़ फॉर दैट यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ क्राइटेरिया ऑफ getting 7.5 CGPA or 75%. You can check that with your university. ऐसी कुछ क्राइटेरिया है, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन द 75% अटेंडेंस. ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल करने के बाद इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग द रिसर्च पेपर, देन you should definitely go for the research degree, the 4-year honors with research degree. Okay. Even if you do not want to join academia or PhD later, I will suggest that you go for this degree because it will actually add value to your resume. So अगर आप टीचिंग में नहीं जाना चाहते हो then also it's fine, but अगर आपको रिसर्च मिल रही है, no matter in which subject you are, no matter in which field you are, you should choose the 4-year honors degree. Now the next point is choose 4-year if you want a job entry faster and is not planning to do masters. अगर आप मास्टर्स नहीं करना चाहते हो and you are only relying on your undergrad degree to get a job and the skills that you learned, then I feel that you should do a 4-year degree, because as an undergrad degree 4-year honors has more benefits than a 3-year graduation degree. Okay, that's the point. Next thing is choose 4-year if your college is really good. Now this is another point. I feel that बहुत सारे students को like जो students को अच्छी college मिली है, like the students who have got really good colleges, and by good colleges I mean who are like actually getting benefited from the college, not just by the name or ranking, but actually अगर college में आप चीज़ें सीख पा रहे हो, then I feel that it's better that you invest 4 years, because then you will learn valuable skills and you will gain a deeper subject knowledge, and you will also have the time to build skill sets side by side your degree. So मुझे लगता है कि if your college is good and you are getting that exposure, आपको college से बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिल रही है, then I feel that you should go for the 4-year degree. Now choose 4-year if you want to keep an abroad option open. This is also important. अगर आप abroad consider कर रहे हो for masters, and I feel that doing a 4-year degree will definitely keep you at an advantage, because the foreign universities they accept students who have दिस 4 year डिग्री, बिकॉज फॉरेन में अंडर ग्रेड डिग्री 4 years की होती है. सो इसलिए sometimes they, if you are a student who is doing a 3 year degree and then you want to apply to foreign universities, then you might get rejected, or sometimes they might tell you to do a 1 year diploma course or something like that, because 4 year की जो credits system होती है 4 year रहना मतलब 4 year should be there, okay, फॉर फॉरेन मास्टर्स, क्योंकि फॉरेन में सभी मास्टर्स डिग्री 1 साल की होती है. कुछ मास्टर्स 2 साल की भी होती है, लेकिन मोस्टली it operates on an a 1 year master program. So basically choose that if you want to consider the abroad option, क्योंकि even then if you change your mind, even then अगर आप इंडिया में ट्राई करना चाहते हो, इंडिया में ट्राई करते करते अगर आपको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि येस यू वांट टू गो टू फॉरेन फॉर योर मास्टर्स, देन ऑल्सो इट विल बी रियली गुड एडवांटेज फॉर यू. सो येस, देन चूज़ 4 year इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम. अगर आप किसी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, लाइक एनीथिंग, गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम, यूपीएससी, एनीथिंग, देन आई फील कि 4 year इज़ गोइंग टू give you more benefits, because the thing is competitive exams की success rate बहुत कम है, we all know that, and there is a major uncertainty. So in case, obviously you will try hard, but in case if you are not able to get that exam qualified or cracked, then I feel that the 4 year degree will actually help you to find other jobs. सो इसलिए आई फील कि 4 year की डिग्री करो अगर आप कम्पिटिटिव की कोई कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो. देन कमिंग टू द 3 year degree. So first point is choose 3 year if you are planning for a master's, and that too from a good reputed university. So the thing is, if you are sure that you want to do masters, then you can exit after 3 years, because then your master's degree is going to give you leverage. अगर आपकी बहुत एक अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन हो गई है, लाइक you got enrolled into good universities after giving entrance exam or anything, or you are getting a good job, you see that feel that there are prospects and you can get a good job, you have the skills, then I feel that it's better that you exit and get into the job market. So first of all, if you are planning to do a masters, if you are sure that you will do masters, then I feel कि आप एग्जिट कर सकते हो, and it's better that you invest the 2 years in masters, because then masters will give you the more advantage, and that will be the more valuable degree that you're going to achieve. And the second thing, as I said, कि अगर आप देख रहे हो कि you have the skills and you have prospects around your city, in your field, then I feel that it's better that you exit after 3 year and then try doing something in the job market. Then you will also have an experience, and after that if you want to do masters, then the door is always open. So another thing is that if you are not studying in a very good college and your grades are not good, then I feel that it's better that you exit after 3 year and then try to get enrolled into a good master's program in any of the very good or reputed central universities in India. That's the point. Now the catch is the 1 year master's program has not yet been fully implemented in most of the Indian universities. Implementation is done on pen and paper, but practically most of the universities have not started the 1 year master program. But even if the 1 year master program has been started, there are so many problems arising out of the thing. For example, in Delhi University it has been started, but then I have seen certain articles where I read that there are problems arising, and बहुत सारी problems हो रही, like they are not they do not know how to manage that kind of thing, because it's a new policy that has been implemented, right? So it will take some time to become efficient. So right now I feel that this is under implementation, this 1 year masters program. So I feel कि आप ये first of all you decide that whether you want to do the masters or not. If you want to do the masters, then as I said कि check which universities you are applying, and whether they have this 1 year program or 2 years program, and whether the 1 year program is actually implemented in an effective way or not. Because otherwise you might get enrolled into a 1 year program, but then uh, you might not get the valuable that education which actually a master's degree should give you. So then I think doing a 2 year master's degree would have been a better option. So check all these things. So yes, that was all for today. I hope that it helped. Thank you.